Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm excited to be here with the Otterbox Aneu for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is one of Otterbox's made for MagSafe cases. In fact, it's the fourth Otterbox made for MagSafe case model that I've reviewed. I've reviewed the Defender XT, which is a lovely case, very protective, however, maybe overkill for some people. On the other end of the spectrum, I've reviewed the Otterbox Figura case. Really pretty case, nice designs, however, not a whole lot of lip and a bit on the slippery side. And then there is the Symmetry Series Plus, one of my favorite all-time cases. I really like the Symmetry Series Plus, but it may not have enough grip for some people. And then that leads us to the Otterbox Aneu. More or less the same size as your Symmetry Series Plus, but with tons more grip on the sides and cool contrasting buttons. Let's check out this case in a bit more detail on my iPhone 12 Pro and Pacific Blue. Taking a look at the construction of the Aneu, this is a one-piece case, quite slim and lightweight. It has a little bit of give to it, but not a lot. We have a hard polycarbonate back, and then the sides are made of quite a grippy rubber. Going into the interior, this is hard plastic, and then we have a sticker here for your magnet array. Putting your phone in the Aneu is quite easy. Just push it into one side, make sure it's properly seated, and then clip on your other corners. The Aneu is easier to get on and off than the Symmetry Series Plus, although not as easy as the Figura. Once on, we have a nice fit overall. There is some give over your buttons, but it's not too bad. Also some give over your port openings, a little bit more give there, a little bit looser rubber, but overall I think you have a good fit with this case. It's definitely a tighter fit than you're going to find with the Figura, although I think the fit's not quite as good as it is with the Symmetry Series Plus. In terms of lip, we have a nice amount of protective lip with this case. Should do a good job protecting your screen. I do have a screen protector on here. This is the Sapphire X screen protector. If I didn't have that in place, you would have more visible lip, but even with that, you do have plenty of lip protecting your screen. Going down here to the bottom, you can see we have asymmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design, which is excellent. The port openings are well positioned and well sized, no issues there. Going up the sides, we have lots of grip on here, very nice and rubbery. This is going to make this a little bit harder to slide in and out of pockets and handbags because it's quite grippy. That's really the only downside to having this amount of grip. It's going to feel very secure in the hand, but a little harder to pull in and out of pockets. Going up here to our buttons, I'm loving the contrasting color we have on the buttons. That's really fun, and they are so easy to press, really nice and responsive. And then looking here at our mute switch area, I think it's quite easy to access, no issues. I think most people, except for people who've got really big fingers, should be fine there. Then looking here at our view from the top, everything looks great. Again, excellent fit with the Sapphire X screen protector, plenty of lip protecting your screen. And then going over here to the side, our side button again, very responsive, just like the volume buttons. And then we've got some OtterBox branding over here. So this is the only branding that you have on here. There's no OtterBox branding on the back, which is different than on some of OtterBox's cases. Very nice pure look here on the back. Everything is very attractive. So we have a very slightly textured polycarbonate on here. Should be reasonably good against scratches. I don't notice any issue with fingerprints so far, but I think that greasy fingerprints are going to show up, but regular fingerprints should be fine. In terms of the amount of protection you have for your protruding camera, you have just enough protection to give you lay on the table design. As long as you lay this down on a flat surface, you should be fine, but you don't exactly have tons of protection. That's pretty typical for all of the OtterBox cases that I've seen this year. Not a lot of protection for the back camera, just enough and no more. As far as wireless charging is concerned, you're going to be able to use this with regular Qi wireless chargers, and of course, because this is a made for MagSafe case, it's going to work perfectly with Apple's MagSafe charger. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories, such as the Apple MagSafe Wallet. That's going to stick on there perfectly because, of course, you've got the magnets in the case. And you're also going to be able to use this with other third-party MagSafe accessories. For example, this Moft MagSafe Wallet is a fun one. Turns into a stand as well. That's kind of cool. And my favorite MagSafe wallet out there is the Mouse MagSafe Wallet. I think they did a fantastic job on their MagSafe wallet this time. Really good job. Much tighter connection magnetically than you're going to get with the Apple MagSafe Wallet. So you have a lot of fun MagSafe options with this case. Removing this case from your phone is very easy. Just push out your top right corner and then go down to your bottom right and then pull your phone out. And then looking at our beautiful blue Aneu case, really attractive color with a Pacific blue phone. Again, this one is quite easy to get on the phone. Just put in your left hand side, make sure both your top and your bottom corners are inside, and then clip on your other corners. Again, overall quite a nice fit on here, although we do have those areas of give over your buttons and your port openings. Wish those could be just a bit on the tighter side, but overall these soft rubber sides feel nice and protective against your phone. You've got a nice amount of protective lip on here. Really good job here with the port opening. Shouldn't have any issue with many third-party lightning cables, and I think everything's quite well protected here. Lots of grip on the sides. Really love the buttons on here. They are excellent. I mean, these are just perfect buttons. So easy to press, so responsive, and I gotta love the color. I think it's a really nice color splash there. Easy access to your mute switch. Great view from the top here. And then our side button, again, outstanding. View from the back, really nice. Love this color again with the Pacific blue iPhone. I think everything looks great. Minimal branding, just the branding here on the side where it says OtterBox, no branding on the back. Back of the case feels nice. Don't really have any grip on the back, but the grip on the sides makes up for it in my opinion. Just overall a lovely case for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. So all in all, I think that the Aneu is a great case for your iPhone. I love the made for MagSafe compatibility, the fact that we've got those super grippy sides, and the contrasting button colors are really pretty awesome on here. This is easy to get on and off your iPhone, and it just has a great look and feel. It's not going to be as protective as the Symmetry Series Plus case, however. Your Symmetry Series Plus case is going to offer you 3x military standard drop protection, whereas your Aneu meets the standards of OtterBox's Drop Plus protection program and may offer as much as 1x mil-spec protection, but that's going to be it. However, it's stylish, grippy, and MagSafe, so it just depends upon what you're looking for in a case for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Again, we've been looking at the OtterBox Aneu for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This product is available directly from OtterBox as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $49.95. It comes in the beautiful blue healer and pink robin colors featured in this review, as well as something called marsupial beige and teal and black licorice. Many thanks to the kind folks at OtterBox for sending me out these samples to review. If you're curious about the pricing of the other OtterBox made for MagSafe cases we discussed today, the Figura is going to be priced the same as the Aneu at $49.95. Your Symmetry Series Plus runs $59.95, and the OtterBox Defender XT is going to be $69.95. If you have any questions about any of these cases or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the OtterBox Aneu for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.